Creme brulee? Yeah. Hey Alexa, turn off Dungeon mode. Turn off Dungeon mode. No.
It has a face?
No, Peter, it's not what it looks like.
That's not what it looks like. What the f? Science Tuesday on a Friday. Time to fry. Fishes. Cake, fish, chicken, steak.
Okay guys, today it is Science Tuesday and our science experiment we will be doing is that called air fryer.
Air frying.
Watch out, they want to see
We say it at the same time. Air frying.
So, my hypothesis is that frying makes things taste good. So air frying, which is a little bit worse, will also make things taste good. We have ravioli, yogurt, oranges. Where's the rest of the foods?
Franks. I didn't draw it.
Oh, Franks and Twinkies.
Twinkies. America.
America.
No, you had this.
Stop eating your meat in the kitchen, guys.
That is not an appropriate saying.
That
Watch your
ruined.
mouth. We have yogurt. We have wieners.
Mini ravioli. Twinkies.
My baby booze.
Ashton, stop looking at the oranges. You know how you feel.
Oranges.
First one we're doing is Twinkies.
Wait, we have to make a hypothesis for each one.
I think this is gonna cook it, and then this stuff is gonna go all over the bottom of the air fryer.
I think that the Twinkie is gonna be get golden and crispy, and then it'll be deliciouser. Okay, we got our Twinkies.
3 Twinkies.
Let's put the Twinkies in, and well, we'll see what it cooks.
Cake.
Obviously.
30 minutes.
No, that's a long.
Wait.
Stop. Stop.
Stop.
It's my air fryer.
You spit in my face.
Okay, put it down. That's
Hit the Twinkie button.
one thing.
Stay away from it. Stay away.
Let me turn it off. Oh. I'm gonna punch you in your delirious.
Slap.
Turn it up!
Hit the Twinkie button, idiot.
Turn it, crank her all the way up, 420.
392.
Okay, at 10 minutes for 392 degrees. We're playing a new game.
I've urinated my pants.
Let's look at this, Reese. Maybe the camera should see the inside. Oh! Air fried!
Whoa. Okay, wait, let's get a plate,
I will steal your life, bitch. Ashton is a furry. You may collect boxes, but I collect teardrops. You controlling
Sure, I'm just a little boy, but that doesn't mean you can touch me.
How to air fry, like a pro.
Okay guys, it's finished.
Let's see what it is.
Oh! This looks very good. Put it in, Peter. Oh.
Whoa.
That was fun. Peter's hypothesis that was it was gonna ooze out. He was wrong. I was right. They got crispy and delicious. Taste test.
The bottom of them. Oh.
The goo is hot. It's hot. Mmm.
Oh!
So good.
It's terrible.
Is it? Okay, air frying a Twinkie.
Yes.
3 out of 10.
I disagree. It makes your house smell like burning human.
No.
Setting the mood.
3 out of 10. Would not recommend. On to next item.
Ravioli.
Okay, you have to get down and dirty. Ooh, I've always wanted to try ravioli.
Don't eat it cold.
Can you?
No.
It's meat, Bill.
Now you get herpes.
Ugh. Why are you eating that? You eat another one. Oh my god.
Put it in.
Did it hurt?
No, just set it in there with a paper
Not
towel.
the paper towel, it's gonna burn. We just set them. The sauce is gonna burn.
Yeah, this
We are the scientists.
Okay, we
Mrs. Cope taught us how to.
5-second rule is scientifically proven.
The heat will burn off the diseases.
10 minutes at 392 degrees.
Burn, burn, burn! I've never seen it.
Whoa! Where's
Wait,
the-
why do they look like pretzels?
Yummy. Dump them out.
Snack time.
I present to you ravioli de la air fried. How hot are they? Look at the beef paste.
Why did they actually fry?
they taste pretty? They look
Yes, they fry. You eating it?
Yeah. Taste test.
ASMR.
Ah! Look at the beef paste.
Gross.
You don't like it?
What is the flavor?
You can dip it in the sauce.
Oh, this is a perfect meal. You have a fancy party you gotta go to. You have like $3. $3 max. This will feed 400 people with $3. Look at that.
We saved world hunger.
DiGiorno.
Next, food item.
Oranges!
Is that like an attack? Are you
Oranges!
Yes, is this
One?
the local hospital? Yeah, I just need to talk to the mental health department. Hi, yeah, I have a friend that needs tested. Okay. Yeah, his name is Peter.
I just watched you try and fucking orange. And let's put this BB in the
Okay, everyone knows fruit is good, but you know what's better than fruit? Fried stuff.
food.
So fried fruit. Damn it!
Fruit Ninja IRL.
Right on my
Put
phone.
them face down so they get a little charred.
Okay, we'll try 1/2.
Season them.
Okay.
Ooh, looks kind of bad.
You put your oranges in, and then the same old.
Bone apple teeth.
We'll be back in 10 minutes.
Hopefully
let's bro
with
fist.
some orange bit.
Bro fist.
3, 2, 1.
The grand reveal of oranges.
Better than I thought. They look like they were grilled
It does.
by Satan.
Okay, get a plate. You burned me, I swear. Smell. Smells like burnt oranges.
Nah.
Yeah.
Let me try.
Yeah.
It smells like you know if you were to like take an orange and then burn it.
Yeah.
That's what it smells like.
Okay, taste test. Air fried orange. Ah! It's so hot.
Now try and kiss it, bitch. You just tried to fucking orange on camera.
You don't say the F word, first of all.
Frick.
Second of all,
Frickin' orange.
that orange was a female, so therefore it's okay.
It had a male's face. It had a beard. No. That's a guy. That is not a girl.
This is not a guy. Her name is Orangelita.
Orangenita.
Orangette.
Oranget.
She has
Oh,
a
that's your
fucking brain.
Orangelita. It tastes like boiling orange juice.
It just tastes like warm orange.
Actually, that orange is a dude because you did call it Timmy earlier when you took the brain tumor out.
Ooh.
You want the tape back on your mouth, young man?
If you want to experience the same taste at
It
home,
tastes like a grapefruit.
shut the frick up. B word. Or I'll cut your lyrics out. You want to?
Hey Google, what's a lyric?
Oh my god.
It's larynx.
Yeah,
lyrics. It's lyrics.
Hey,
Just
Google.
like
Hey Google, what's a lyrics?
According to Wikipedia, lyrics are words that make up
No.
a song usually consisting
Hey,
of
Google.
verses and choruses.
It's larynx.
It's larynx.
okay. Now it's gonna get.
It's a throat hole. Okay, this is a new
Okay.
trend. Warm oranges. I like this.
Look at this. You heard it here first.
From
I'll
9
cut you.
Google.
B word.
This tastes like a grapefruit.
No,
Guys,
it doesn't. No,
10
it
out of-
doesn't.
9 out of 10. Warm oranges.
Okay, so 9 out of 8.
What?
Hold on.
Guys, it's a 9 out of 10. Warm oranges. New trend. I would air fry your oranges because it turns into a grapefruit, and grapefruit is more expensive than oranges. Next item.
Yo, play yogurt.
How are we gonna do that?
It's not a question of how.
It's a question of why.
Why?
I consider that a gelatin.
Would you consider? What are you doing? Okay, I think that's good. I think that's good.
Start up.
I see.
Okay, Peter, put it in for the classic 392. See you guys
10
in 10 minutes. Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Oh, yum.
Yum.
Plate out.
No. All we have to
Cookie,
eat
cookie.
is the top
The
layer.
skin?
It looks
Yeah.
like ham.
If we eat
Oh, we get to eat the ham.
okay.
Yogurt
Wait, look,
ham.
I'm taking off the top ham.
Looks like milky ham.
So,
Ah, don't do that.
I keep touching the edge. It's hot. So once you get the top ham off,
You can harvest the bottom ham.
there is no bottom ham. Okay, this is all you get. It's a
It's
delicacy.
You know what? It's a low product value.
This is like
It smells like
equivalent to truffles. Very rare delight. Take your piece. 3.
Ooh.
Hey. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go. It tastes like Yoghurt.
Yes, it does. But like skinny yogurt. Skin consistency yogurt.
It's like I would go in for a second bite, but it could possibly be rotten because it's chunky. Would give this a 4 out of 10.
I give it a 2 because of the product yield. We want more. We're still hungry for it.
Okay, next item. The final item, the most American item. The
And
item.
the most requested item on our Twitter poll.
Franks.
3 people. New record.
We're going to see how many hot dogs we can fit in this and cook at the same time. Okay,
America.
get this plate out. Reach in.
No, it's hot.
Wait, what if I do this? Yeah.
You're gonna break it.
Get you.
I'm not gonna catch
The
it.
plate is hotter than balls. It was.
It is very hot.
Okay, ready? Ready?
I'm making sure I get it.
You're gonna ruin the floor.
This is how you get a plate out of your air fryer.
Oh!
Okay, let's see how many franks we can hit in this big baddie. I gotta do it. I earned it.
Oh yeah, you did.
There's no Frank's button on the
Ooh.
Oh, we can fit
That
all
can-
of them. Now, this might not be interesting, hot dogs in an air fryer, but the quantity is what counts.
Look at that.
How long would it take
Yogurt
to grow?
could never.
And in 10 minutes, you will be able to feed your entire family of
Your
14.
entire bloodline.
See you in 10 minutes.
Guys, I feel like this is a bad idea for the hot dogs. I feel like that's too hot.
Oh, it's done. Let's see. Ooh. Look at Fluffy Meatball. It's you in the future.
It's you in 2 hours.
Should we put it on a pan to see how evenly cooked they are?
Yes.
Because it looks like just the top ones are cooked. Okay, let's see how it goes.
Ooh. Only half of them was raw.
Disappointing results.
They're at least warm.
They're warm. They're not
It's
fully cooked.
lukewarm.
They're terrible.
Optimal hot dog. So you put a couple in,
Optimal
will it work?
stiffness.
You see how bouncy these
Ooh.
Oh, they're bouncy.
Hey Google, can rabbits have hot dogs?
On the website furryfacts.com, they say, no, a rabbit cannot eat a hot dog at all or any meat for that matter.
Rabbit.
Rabbits are herbivores, which means that they only eat some veggies and fruit and mainly plant life.
It doesn't like it.
It's like a magnet. It rejects it.
How about this? Orange.
It's a vegan.
It knows.
Smart.
How would you rate it?
Is it warm?
9.
9. I rate this horrible. This gets 1 out of 10. It can't cook a mass
Well,
quantity of hot
for
dogs.
that one, it
they
was a
weren't
9.
cooked all the way through. It was bad. As you know, when you have hot dogs, you throw them to the needy people. So
They'll come and get them. They're always going in the morning. Oh.
oh, hot dogs. There's, dang it, hit your car, Peter. Overall, 1 out of 0.
This video took so long. I want to go home so bad, but I can't because I have to clean up burnt yogurt.
Watch this. Ready? My knife's not even sharp. I hate this. Bye.
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 Bye.